Hello friends. Today I will tell you about a simple home remedy. It is called raisin water. Raisin water is made by soaking and boiling raisins. It looks simple, but the health benefits are powerful. So let's explore the wonderful advantages of consuming raisin water. Why is raisin water good for you? Our body needs a healthy liver to function well. The liver performs over 500 essential functions. It removes toxins, produces proteins for blood clotting, and helps with digestion. When the liver is not functioning properly, toxins accumulate in the blood. They cause fatigue, weakness, and poor health. Drinking raisin water for 4 days in a row helps the liver perform its natural processes. These processes help remove toxins from your blood. As a result, you may notice several health improvements. Supports heart health. The American Heart Association recommends eating raisins to support heart health. But eating raisins regularly can reduce harmful cholesterol levels. They lower triglycerides and support heart health. But why is this? First, raisins are rich in potassium. Potassium helps eliminate sodium from the body. High sodium levels increase blood pressure and put a strain on the heart. Second, raisins contain antioxidants. They help lower inflammation in the blood vessels. This lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. Third, raisins are a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels. It reduces the risk of heart disease and supports weight loss. Drinking raisin water every day can make it lighter and easier to digest. A natural source of antioxidants. Raisins are dried grapes full of antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and lead to sickness. Raisins contain special antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds protect your body from cell damage. They also help prevent heart and liver diseases. So if you want to protect yourself from illness, consider drinking raisin water daily. Helps detox the body. Your liver and kidneys work hard to keep your body healthy. They clean the blood by removing waste and extra or toxic substances. They convert harmful materials into safer ones. Then they remove the harmless parts through the digestive system, lungs, and skin. A poor diet and too many fatty foods can slow this process. To speed it up, drink raisin water. Raisin water boosts the liver and helps with detox. After drinking raisin water for 4 days, you may feel lighter. Digestion may be improved and you may have more energy. Aids in digestion. Drinking raisin water can aid digestion because it helps clean the bloodstream. Raisin water supports liver function. It also helps your stomach acids break down food. This makes nutrients easier to absorb. As a result, you may see results in just 2 days. Also, raisin water may help treat constipation. Constipation happens when food does not pass easily through the intestines. It causes a buildup of waste in the digestive system. This can lead to discomfort and illness. Raisin water helps soften the stool and promote regular bowel movements. It improves sleep quality. Insomnia is when you cannot sleep well at night. It can be stressful and tiring. Drinking warm raisin water before bed may help you relax and fall asleep faster. The sweetness of the raisins may satisfy your sweet tooth. This prevents you from eating sugary snacks before going to bed. Raisin water may also help regulate your biological clock. Drinking it at the same time each day may make you sleepy at night and energetic in the morning. Boosts energy levels. Do you feel tired and weak all the time? Maybe you need a boost of energy. Raisin water may help increase energy levels because it provides carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a source of energy. Raisin water is also rich in iron. Iron helps carry oxygen to the organs and muscles. Without enough iron, your body may become weak and tired. Drinking raisin water every day can improve your stamina and strength. Reduces blood sugar levels. Did you know that raisins are high in sugar? Yes, they are. But don't worry, drinking raisin water may actually help reduce blood sugar levels. How does this work? Well, raisins contain a compound called resveratrol. Resveratrol helps improve insulin sensitivity. This allows your body to use sugar more efficiently. As a result, your blood sugar levels may decrease. Supports healthy weight loss. Losing weight can be challenging, but drinking raisin water may help. First, raisin water helps control hunger. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This prevents overeating and unhealthy snacking. Second, raisin water promotes healthy digestion. Good digestion is important for weight loss. It helps break down food and absorb nutrients. This gives your body the energy it needs to burn fat. Third, raisin water has few calories. Each serving has only about 25 calories. This makes it a great alternative to sugary drinks. Maintains normal blood pressure. High blood pressure can be dangerous. It puts a strain on the heart and blood vessels. Over time, this can lead to heart disease and stroke. But don't worry, raisin water may help maintain normal blood pressure. Raisins are rich in potassium. As mentioned earlier, potassium helps eliminate sodium from the body. High sodium levels increase blood pressure. Drinking raisin water every day may help lower blood pressure. Strengthens the immune system. Your immune system protects you from illnesses like colds and flu. To keep your immune system strong, drink raisin water. It is packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and make you sick. Raisin water also helps detoxify the body. This helps your immune system work more efficiently. How to make raisin water. Now you know the benefits of raisin water. Let me show you how to make it. You need 2 cups of water. You need 150 grams of raisins. Choose dark raisins that are whole and clean. Wash them well, boil the water and add the raisins. Let them simmer for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave them overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it. Heat it again and drink it warm. Drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Follow this for 4 days straight. Eat a diet low in fat and high in fruits and vegetables. This will make the benefits stronger. Conclusion: raisin water is a simple and natural drink. It can improve liver health and digestion. It helps the heart and supports detox. If you want to make a small change in your diet, try raisin water for 4 days. You may see great results. Before we wrap up, let's address some questions you might have. Is it okay to drink raisin water every day? Yes, it is generally safe to drink raisin water every day. However, if you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor first. How long should I drink raisin water? For the best results, drink raisin water for at least 4 days straight. Can I add other ingredients to my raisin water? Yes, you can add other ingredients like ginger or lemon. Are there any side effects to drinking raisin water? Generally, no side effects have been reported. However, some people may experience mild stomach discomfort. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to stay healthy. Thank you.